What's going on, everyone? My name is JP. This is my wife Jordana and our kids Aurelia and Odin. Back on our 6th wedding anniversary, we decided we wanted to buy an RV and see the country. Fast forward to March of 2021, we sold our house, ditched all our stuff, and hit the road for what we hope will be a journey filled with a lifetime of memories. We hope you will join us on this journey as we wander to get lost. Hey, what's going on, everybody? And back for another day of working on the RV. It's Tuesday, August 10th. So last night ended up with us getting the couch in. So you can actually see, there it is. Still got some work to do finishing off that slide. So you also saw I started doing the peel and stick tiles on the backsplash area. I ran out of tiles, so I had to place an order for more. I don't know when they're coming. It's probably going to be a week, so that's a whole big delay going on right now. We did get the rubber molding trim in to do the stairwell and the slides. So what I'm doing today is I just put this faceplate on. I actually put another piece of wood behind it just to make it nice and flush. So now I'm going to trim this with that molding. So that's on the table today. This is the step that covers that. I'm actually going to keep this wood. I'm just going to put a thin sheet of this 1/8 on top of it, glue it down, screw it, and then I also have this lip here where they tucked in the rubber flooring. So I'm actually going to put this 1/8 in there, like so, trim it down, and then when I put the rubber molding over it, it'll sit flush with the metal edge here, and I won't see this metal anymore. And yeah, so we'll get rid of that. All right, so that's what we got on the table for today. The backsplash is in a holding pattern. The couch, we can't really decide totally what we're going to do with it yet, because I have to put the rubber molding down on the slide out, and then once I do that, then we can figure out where we're going to position the couch. Yeah, so I'm actually going to do a review on the couch in its own separate video. I slept on it last night, and I'm going to sleep on it for a few nights just so that way I can give you some actual feedback on the couch. So I'm not going to give any hints. All right, so I'm going to cut the pieces for this step, get that all done, then I can put the flooring on this step. Actually, yeah, and then I got the flooring today from Home Depot, the 2 extra boxes that I had to order, so that should enable us to finish it off. I did show that I did paint the sides of the stairwell, so that gray matches the engine cover box now, so it actually looks really nice. I have yet to caulk it because I'm waiting till I get everything done, and then I will be obviously caulking all around the seams just to make this watertight, and for when we have to vacuum and stuff. Bug, what the? So yeah. All right. So I'm gonna work on that for now. Odin's asleep, and yeah. All right, here we go. Tracing that line, then I'm just going to cut out for the length. They actually have it here on the back too. I guess they took the carpet, because it used to be carpet and then the rubber flooring. So yeah, I guess I'll do that also. A little glue. Alright, now we're going to do the top, which I'm going to have to do in 2 pieces just because I don't feel like going to buy any more. So basically here, and then I have a little strip here. So, and then of course this is going to be covered by our flooring, and then, you know, so. Step. It's the old step. Alright, just gonna sand the edges, and then we can put the floor on. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so unfortunately I have to use 3 planks to cover this. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the small plank that I have to cut in the back. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put them on, and then I'll just trim it off the side. So what's going on, everybody? Here's the bottom of the step. So I decided to spray it black just to cover up the rust. I used a Rust-Oleum rust primer, so cover up the rust. And then I've been working here inside the RV getting this rubber molding. This I found online. It's made by a company called Rape, I guess, and it's got to be glued down, but I've just been spending the past like hour getting these cuts right here, and then it like comes into the back there. But so I'm getting ready to glue this down, and then once I glue this into place, I'll let this start to set up for a few hours, and then I'm gonna glue the front one onto the step, and then we should have a finished stairwell once I caulk it. So that's what's been going on. I have the Gorilla Glue Super Construction Adhesive. I'm gonna put it on the back and then thin it out with a putty knife, and then hopefully it sticks. So yeah. Alright, let's go to work. On the whole bottom, because I don't want it to pull off. I'm gonna keep checking on these. Just as it starts to tack up, I really want to make sure that it's seated nice. So I'm just gonna keep checking on it. I'm gonna get these other two on too. All right. She's gonna check it out?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, cool.
You should check out what I got. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm waiting for the glue to kind of set up a little bit more. I got the weight on here to try and keep it in position. I'm going to see how it looks, but it has been moving a lot more than the ones over there. Ugh. All the way down as far as it will go. Just right here at this lip. Trying to keep removing some of the glue buildup. Now, it looks pretty good right here. I wish I had clamps, which I don't have, because I think I sold all my clamps during our garage sale. So I'm going to put it back on the nose. Let it sit for a little bit. And just see if a little bit of weight will drive it down. I'll come back out in a few minutes. All right, I'm gonna go eat some dinner. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Dinner is over. The glue looks like it's almost completely dry. Everything is done. I reinstalled everything. So let me give you a look at what it looks like. I think it came out pretty sweet. So I reinstalled this one. This is the old one. I'm probably gonna find a replacement part because it's all rusted. I don't feel like taking it apart and spray painting it, so I'm just gonna find a new part. So yeah, there it is. Stairwell is done. So that's a big part to completing the inside. Probably gonna call it a night. I'm gonna tackle the slides tomorrow and the couch. Yeah, all right, hope you like this video. Have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll link to where I got this rubber molding from. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next renovation video.